Okay, so this is a Ford Fiesta Ecoboost. Had an engine swap and never started after the engine swap. So we brought it down to timing and we put the engine at TDC and the timing is off. If you're ever doing the timing on this car, you don't have a timing tool. You see these markings on the camshaft. This one and that one. They both need to be straight up, not bent, not crooked like this. So that needs to be up like that and that needs to be up like that as well. So obviously this engine is out of time. It wasn't hitting any walls or anything like that, but it just wasn't starting. Okay, so we're going to try to loosen the tensioner down there and we're going to try to turn the cams. And let's see how we get on. Okay, so once you get this off, make sure these things are flat. This one and this one. We rotated it, we removed the belt and we rotated it a bit. And take something flat, keep it on top of it. Either a ruler or a big ruler or something like that. Make sure it's completely flat. Make sure it's completely flat. If you don't have the correct tool for it, obviously. If you do have the correct tool, just use the tool. But if you don't have it, just use this method. As long as cylinder 1 is on TDC. Okay, so we pulled this timing belt tensioner off and this tensioner is completely seized. I mean, it does rotate, but it's extremely hard. So even if the car had started, it would have pretty much snapped the belt off and it would have gone. So this one rotates extremely freely. So you put the belt back on and we're going to untension it now by pulling that socket out. Alright, so put the belt back on. You can see. And obviously while putting the belt back on, when you're tensioning the tensioner, you can hold the cams with a spanner here and here. Make sure the cams don't shift when you bring the belt back on. And that's pretty much it. The pulley down there is a free spinning pulley, so as you tension this tensioner, the belt will get pulled from this way. The pulley will turn automatically and come back. The only thing that holds the pulley is the crankshaft bolt that goes through it. So when you're tensioning the belt, make sure you hold the camshafts down there and down there with the spanner. Okay guys, here you go, moment of truth. Well, let's see, we're going to track. We put everything that we think it needs to start. We won't put everything back, but whatever we think it needs to start, we put back. And let's see if it starts. Here you go, moment of truth. Here goes nothing. Alright, go on one more, there you go. One more time.